The beauty of the northern Pocono Mountains is truly breathtaking, and nestled within this captivating landscape is this alluring, almost new construction neatly situated on a picturesque 1-acre lot. Hello, I'm Realtor Patti Dunning. A quick drive up this well-maintained country road leads to one of North Pocono's most serene and tranquil locations. Privacy at its best is a good way to describe this property, and right in the middle, this nearly new Cape Cod. Nature and the wonders of the Four Seasons surround it from every angle all year long. This delightful front porch is a great place to take in the soothing sounds and relaxing scenery. Since the woodlands across the street are a conservatory, this view will remain unchanged. The woodlands in the rear of the home are also likely to never be developed as well. Inside, an open and well-designed floor plan greets you as you enter this warm and cozy home. The main level of this impeccable home includes this 2-story great room with appealing architectural flair. It features a stone-faced gas fireplace, hardwood flooring, and built-ins. The great room opens up to this spotless modern kitchen. Tile flooring, granite counters with bar, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry are just some of the features here. The main level also includes a dining room with hardwood flooring and a large slider to the rear deck. The master bedroom is conveniently located on the main level as well. This fabulous sleeping area also offers a walk-in closet with organizers and a luxurious tiled master bath. Here you will find a soothing tiled rain shower, jetted tub, and double sink. Another half bath and laundry complete the main level. An open wooden staircase with wrought iron balusters leads to the second floor. 3 additional bedrooms give any family lots of options. They are large, cheery, provide great views of the property, and one includes dormers. A full bath services the second floor bedroom. This home provides just over 2,000 square feet of delightful living space, but there is plenty of room for more. The attic offers easy storage, and the basement, which is plumbed and can easily be finished, gives you nearly 1,300 square feet of additional living space if you so desire. Sliders in the basement provide access to a patio and the rear of the property. Here you will find a great mix of open lawn and mature trees. Peaceful sounds are available all day, every day, in this inviting mountain heaven. The rear deck is made for entertaining or just enjoying this great rustic property. This home also includes a 2-car garage with an epoxied floor. This exceptional property is in a very rural location. However, you are literally just minutes from highway access and tons of shopping and restaurant options. It is also located in the desirable North Pocono School District, with the high school just minutes from this home as well. This home is the best of everything. I would love to give you a personal tour. Please give me a call today.